Transfer WhatsApp chat to PDF. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer your WhatsApp chat to PDF. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, tap on this three dot. So go to this settings. Tap on this chat. Under this chat, scroll to down and tap on this chat history. Under this chat history, tap on this export chat. So in this export chat, all you have to do is just go and select the chat that you want to export. So let's say I want to export this chat that I made with this person. So I'll just tap in the person. So as you can see now, it will send the chat for me through PDF. So as you can see, just go and select the person or the method of sending your chat. So I'll just swipe to down and tap on this WhatsApp again. So I'll select another phone number to send it. Tap on this. So as you can see now, it will send the chat as text, that's PDF. So tap on this send. So as you can see, here is the chat now. I send my chat as PDF. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.